Welcome back. On Thursday evening, all the parents of the children studying in private unaided schools got together to stop the arbitrary hike in fees by the private unaided schools. The parents expressed their displeasure over such a decision by the management of the schools.
A meeting of the parents was held at BPS Club on Thursday to resolve the problems faced by the parents of arbitrary hike in the fees by the private unaided schools. Parents have opposed the fee hike by the school management and have appealed to the Director of Education not to approve the fee hike. Ashley Fernandez, Orlando Pacheco, Nisa Dias, Ethel Loba were some of the parents who addressed the agitated parents. Ashley Fernandez gave details of the fees collected by private schools.
The most important thing as of date today is your fee hike. And if the fee hike problem is solved, if the education department really goes to audit the statement of accounts of these institutions, then there will be no fee hike. The fee hike problem is solved, but they are not doing their job.
Parents also claim that there are plenty of evidences available from the audited reports of the school that the funds collected from tuition fees were illegally transferred to construction fund. The parents also demanded to form a panel to examine the accounts of all schools.
Giving the fee hike, the accounts of these schools have to be checked, examined. Third point, we are asking as per the Act, the accounts of all these schools have to be audited by the officer authorized by the Comptroller and Auditor General of India. Is the government doing it? And how do they justify this fee hike?
The parents demanded that the Director of Education should not give approval to any fee hike proposed by the managements of unaided recognized schools in Goa till a report is prepared by the committee appointed by the government and their accounts are examined. Our reporter in Margao, Arvind Tengse.
Fatora MLA Damu Naik has asked for suspension of previous North Goa Additional Collector GP Naik from the government service. Damu Naik alleged GP Naik's involvement in malpractices related to land transfer at Altord, Porvorim.
The new North Goa collector MP Parab has cancelled land transfer order issued during the period of GP Naik as additional collector. Damu says that this cancellation has proved his allegation against GP Naik which he had made in the last assembly session.
Additional collector Parab आणि तोरडा मिसर्ती दिल्ली शिरोडकार हाका जी सनद फाटल्यान घेतल्या त्या हाजेर एक जालें की द एलिगेशन्स वीच आय मेड इन द लास्ट असेंब्ली GP नायकाचेर की एक कॅडराचो IAS कॅडराच्या जाग्याचेर ताका बसयला आनी तो मनीस थंय बीइंग त्या टायमाचेर एडिशनल कलेक्टर आसतना नॉर्था आसतना ताणें आपलो वापर कसो करून मेलाफायड प्रॅक्टिसान भितर कोणाक सनद बी कशी दिल्ल्यो आनी त्या पोस्टाचेर तो कसो योग्य ना हें आमी विधानसभेन दाखोवन दिल्लें आयज तें प्रूव जाल्लें आसा.
Damu demanded a strict probe into the blunders created by GP Naik as additional collector.
म्हजो एक टर्म स्टेटमेंट आसा, म्हजें डिमांड आसा की गव्हर्मेंट शूड इनिशिएट इन्क्वायरी आनी ताची प्रोब जावपाक जाय आनी तो पर्यंत ताका खरें म्हळ्यार त्या पोस्टाचेर आयज त्या पोस्टार ना पूण ताका सरकारी सेवेंतल्यान पयलीं खरें म्हळ्यार सस्पेंड करपाक जाय आनी ताचेर इन्क्वायरी सेटअप करपाक जाय आनी जे कोण एबेटर्स आनी कोण जे अशें जांच्यांनी हें सगळें फ्रॉड केल्लें आसा दे शूड बी डेफिनेटली बिहायंड द बार्स.
After raising the issue of forwarding the sanad to a dead person in the assembly, Damu Naik took another dig at GP Naik.
पण कलेक्टराच्या पोस्टार बसता तोच पयलीं इलिगल गोश्टी करता. आतां तुमकां फॉर एग्जांपल एक सादें एग्जांपल दिता. कलेक्टरेट बिल्डिंगेन कोण जे पळय पार्किंग लॉट दवरिल्ले जे गाडयांक व्हेकल दवरिल्ले थंय सगळें तो ऑफिसीस सेटअप केल्या थंय शटर्स घालून थंय सगळें हें सगळें कंपार्टमेंट घालून थंय सगळे ऑफिसर्स बसता. सो जी प्रिमायसीस इज मेंट फॉर अ पार्किंग कॅनॉट चेंज फॉर युअर यूज. सो ते करपी एखादे वेळ कोण तरी इलिगल गोष्टी भायर करता हें समजूंक शकता पण कलेक्टराचें डिपार्टमेंट कलेक्टर हिमसेल्फ इज डुईंग दॅट इज अ मोर डेंजरस.
Our reporter from Madgaon, Satan Rodrigues.
If blanket ATKT is not imposed, then the third-year students of engineering have threatened to go on indefinite hunger strike from the 2nd April. Registrar of Goa University, Dr. Mohan Sangodkar, has assured a deliberation on this matter with the University Chancellor and the Governor of Goa, Dr. S.S. Sidhu.
Students of Farmagudi Engineering College, Padri Conceição College at Verna, and Rayeshwar Institute of Engineering and Information Technology, Shiroda, had been on strike earlier this week. They demanded scrapping of an ordinance and implementation of blanket 80KT. Though Registrar of Goa University Dr. Mohan Sangodkar have promised to students for an earliest deliberation, he refused to entertain media persons on this matter to the best reason known to him. One of the students, Rohan Pednekar, fainted due to hunger strike. Another student, Suraj Gaonkar, spoke to us.
इतके दीस कांयच जावना बिकॉज ऑफ दॅट 24th मार्च अगेन वी वेंट ऑन अ हंगर स्ट्रायकाक बसल्या उपरांत आयज आमचो एकटो कलीग रोहन पेडणेकर फेंट केलो आनी ताका आतां GMCन घातला. हू इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर दॅट? एंड सेकंडली आमी आयज रजिस्ट्रारच्या ऑफिसान गेला. तेणी सांगलां आमकां की चॅन्सेलरा कडेन तो उलयतलो आनी बाय वेनसडे ही विल टेल अस द थिंग. If by Wednesday he doesn't speak to his words, then we are going on an indefinite hunger strike from Thursday.
Parents were concerned about the outcome of this strike.
तो एक सांगोळकर आहा, डीन देसाय आसा आनी तो श्रीधरन म्हणा ती ते म्हणल्यार आमी शेनवार दीस आमी म्हणटा प्रिंसिपलांक आपयल्या. फाल्यां हॉलिडे शेनवारा प्रिंसिपल ते दिसा आमी हें करता आनी इमिजिएटली सोमारा पर्यंत हेजे कडेन दिता म्हणटा गव्हर्नरा कडेन हें करपाक. आनी एका 2 दिसा समजा रिजल्ट कितें सांगता म्हणटा आमी म्हणटा तेजें कितें स्पेशल कन्सेंट तशें म्हणटा तितून कितें तरी घालून अशें हें करता म्हणटा मॅक्झिमम कितें भुरग्यांक इफेक्ट हें जाता पळय तसो फेवरेबल जाता पळय तशें करता आनी हें चड घेवन बसना म्हणटा आमी. लेट अस सी वॉट हॅपन्स.
कितें आसा तें सेमिस्टर तर लागीं पावतात न्ही म्हणजे जाता तितले बेगीन तेणी कितें तो निर्णय घेवपा जाय. अशें करून स्टडिजा कडेन तरी लेट करप न्ही सगळे कडेन भुरग्यांक शिकपा जाय म्हणटा आनी भुरग्यां कडेन शिकता त्या भुरग्यां कडेन अशें करता असो अन्याय करता. मागीर हें बरोबर न्ही तेंचें. कितें तें बेगीन डिसिजन घेवपा जाय. ही कितें फकाणां न्ही. भुरग्यांचें शिक्षण हें इम्पॉर्टंट आसा न्ही.
Our reporter from Panji, Yashwant Parab.
Let's take a short break now. Stay tuned for the news from National Women's Boxing Championships.